This is the Alert Star team right here, and basically I'm playing this a game called I don't know. Let's just join a game. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. My second time here, like, yeah, I don't know. Oh no, work at the hospital and until you find out what's really happening. So basically, guys, this is my actually first time doing this, but nah, this is my first time doing this, and also I collabed with Mango. I guess Mango. Yeah. Whoa, 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 yo. Checking patience. What? Checking patience. Hello, my name is Yuki. My name is already said. And this shop is closed. Okay. Room 1. Alright, room 1. I swear if they actually do a ritual, I'm gonna literally, bro. Hey, this is room 1. Yeah, I don't know what else. Okay, so first put the team. Alright. Bada bing, bada boom. Stomach ache. Herbs. Okay, let's give it some alone time. I don't know. Room 2. Lol. Your sanity is important if it treats you weird. Alright. So, where's the doctor? Where the heck is the doctor? Oh, there we go. Hello, doctor. Doctor! Yeah, I am. Hey, let me join in that. Domino ng tres, baksak na naman sa lunes. Oh wow, I'm not alone. Yo, bro! Tell me. No, ask him to leave! Safe. You're safe. dare you? Where, where the heck is he? Let's check the server. Oh my! Brother, they all left. So that's the end of the video, guys. So if you want to add me or follow me, this is my username, LeonT1236. Goodbye, and check for more chapters. My TikTok account is TIV2. Thank you. Bye.